Leave your washer like new with this simple trick. Plus, you'll save lots of money. All machines need cleaning from time to time, even the ones we use to wash clothes. The washing machine is a very useful machine, but it accumulates dirt very quickly. This dirt is increasing day by day, and is the cause of the odors that it gives off, so it is so important to clean it regularly. These bad odors are impregnated very quickly in the clothes that we introduce inside the washer to clean. When opening the washing machine, sometimes we can smell an unpleasant smell. Perhaps it is time to check that the rubber that borders the entrance is not invaded by mold and bacteria. In case you did not know, the rubber that surrounds our washing machine accumulates water, waste and soap, which is a breeding ground for mold. The mold leaves black stains in your washing machine and then becomes an ugly smell that can get to invade your clothes. So instead of washing and cleaning the clothes and that it is with a pleasant smell, what will happen is that it will be left with a very unpleasant smell. The bathroom is another place where humidity favors the appearance of mold. To finish with this problem, we advise you to put into practice this homemade disinfectant that will clean your washing machine a lot. Ingredients: 1. 3 liters of water. 2. Half a cup of lemon juice. 3. A glass of hydrogen peroxide. Preparation: 1. Mix all the ingredients and with the help of a cloth and gloves turn the protective rubber. 2. Rub all creases and rinse with the same preparation. 3. Dry with a clean cloth. 4. If you found mold on the rubber edges, it is because in another part of your washing machine there may be more. 5. One of the preferred sites of bacteria are the compartments for soap and softener. 6. You can clean them the same way and do one last short wash with the rest of the disinfectant in your entire washing machine. Note: you must leave the washer door open when you finish each wash cycle.